In my math classes, I like to use color in my lecture notes and also have my students use color in their lecture notes to help them understand how we go from one step to the next. Often they'll have questions about where a particular part of the problem came from. And so, of course, I answer those questions, but to make their notes more meaningful when they get home, I use color coding to help them see how the parts of the equation are related as we move from one step to the next. The problem that I have with the smart board is that you've got multiple pens that you have to control to use multiple colors, and I don't really like that. I'd rather just use one pen and let it be whatever color I need it to be. I really am more of a native Promethean user, and so if you've used the Promethean board, you know there's the single stylus and the color palette where you can choose your colors. But I'm looking at some of the smart tools and looking at how possibly I could customize the toolbar, the floating toolbar, so that it would give me all of the colors that I want without having to switch between pens. So we're going to customize our toolbar. Notice on the floating toolbar we have two pens. This first one is black, the second one here is red, and then we have one yellow highlighter. Well, I want to add some more highlighters to my palette. So I'm going to click on the Customize tool here, and from this Customize Tools menu, I'm just going to drag some additional highlighters to my floating toolbar. 4 should be enough. And I'll go ahead and click Done. And now what I'm going to do is actually go and customize each of these highlighters. So I'm going to click on it, and you'll notice that the Customize option comes up on the side. So I'll click on that, and I'm going to choose a different color. Let's choose an orange color. It's already a highlighter, so I don't have to worry so much about the transparency. That'll be taken care of. So I'll just say Save Tool Properties, and now we can see that this one is an orange highlighter. Okay, same thing here. I'll make this one kind of a pink color, and this last one let's make it blue. And well, let's go with this blue. Okay. Alright, so now I can use the stylus to get to the different colors that I need. If I need a yellow highlighter, I just click on the yellow highlighter, and I could say, okay, we had cosecant U right here, but that's equivalent to 1 minus cosine U. Okay, and if someone had a question about the 1, then I might actually circle this to show how they canceled out and they became a 1. So I can get to all of those different colors without having to switch pens in the tray.